Welcome back, everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to purchase products on Algo X Market. It's super simple, just follow these steps. Here are some products. Let's start the purchase process. To buy this product, click the Add to Cart button. Now, you're redirected to the cart page. For free products, just click Proceed to Checkout. Next, you'll see the checkout page. Fill in your basic information if it's your first time. If it's already filled in, you're all set. Check the two boxes and click Place Order. Congratulations! You've successfully placed an order. Now, let's see how to purchase non-free products. Select the product you want and click Add to Cart. You'll be taken to the cart page. Here, you have several options before final payment. First, you'll see the points you earned from this purchase. You can also use previously earned points for a discount. Additionally, you can use wallet funds, either partially or entirely. For example, I'll use $500 for my wallet. Click Apply Wallet Funds and proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, choose your payment method and complete the purchase. That's it. Thanks for watching.